Hello and namaste. In today's episode, let's talk about peace. Peace is the path we take for upbringing, growth, and prosperity to society. If we do not have peace and harmony, achieving political strength, economic stability, and cultural growth will be impossible. Moreover, before we transmit the motion to peace to others, it is vital for us to possess peace within. It is not a certain individual's responsibility to maintain peace, but everyone's duty. Thus, an Asian peace will be throw some light on the same topic. Importance of peace. History has been proof of the thousands of wars which have been taken place in the all periods at different levels between nations. Thus, we learned that peace played an important role in ending these wars or even pretending some of them. In fact, if you take a look at the religious sculptures and ceremonies, you will realize that all of them teaches peace. They mostly advocate eliminating war and maintaining harmony. In others' words, all of them told about a state commitment to the peace. It is after thousands of destructive wars that humans realize the importance of peace. Earth needs peace in order to survive. This applies every angle, including wars, pollutions, natural disasters, and many more. When peace and harmony are maintained, their things will continue to run smoothly without any delay. Moreover, it can be a savior for many who do not wish to engage in any destructive activities or more. In other words, while war destroys and disrupts, peace buildings and strengthens as and restores. Moreover, peace is personal, which helps us to achieve security, tranquility, and avoid anxiety and chores to make our lives better. At last, I would like to thank all of you for listening me with patience. Thank you and namaste. Have a good day.